Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine, doing very well. So back again with an outstanding collection of fit Mehndi designs ideas for brides. So in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful designs in different styles. So you will find Indian style, South Indian style, Arabic style Mehndi designs for feet. These are also wonderful, these are also gorgeous and beautiful. So there's a huge variety of designs portrayed in this video. If you're looking for the latest henna designs, so in this video you will find the most beautiful and trendy latest henna designs. So watch the video till the end. There are a lot of beautiful designs that are coming up next in this video. So if you want to be updated by the latest Mehndi designs, latest henna designs, so my channel is all about latest henna designs. You will find hundreds of designs daily on my channel. And I hope that you will also find them useful and helpful for you. So if you are loving these beautiful fit Mehndi designs, please do like my video. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, useful henna designs for you. So my channel is all about latest fashion trends and henna designs. So do tell me in the comment section how was the video, how was the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. Please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So bye bye dear viewers, till the next video.